Angular 4 Training Certification. Angular 4 is a popular and widely used JavaScript framework for building dynamic web applications. It is the successor to AngularJS, Angular 1, and is known for its powerful features, performance improvements, and enhanced developer experience. Key features of Angular 4. TypeScript. Angular 4 is built with TypeScript, a statically typed superset of JavaScript. Component-based architecture. Angular 4 follows a component-based architecture, where the application is built by combining reusable and independent components. Enhanced performance. Angular 4 introduced several optimizations that improved the framework's performance. Dependency injection. Angular 4 includes a robust dependency injection (D) system that helps manage the application's components and their dependencies. Benefits of Angular 4 certification. Validation of skills. Angular 4 certification serves as a validation of your skills and expertise in using the framework. Career advancement. Having an Angular 4 certification can significantly enhance your career prospects. Industry recognition. Angular 4 certification is typically provided by reputable organizations or the official Angular team. Angular 4 training programs. Online courses. Online courses provide the flexibility to learn Angular 4 at your own pace and convenience. Instructor-led live online training. Live online training programs provide a structured learning experience with real-time interaction with instructors. Boot camps. Angular 4 boot camps are intensive, short-term training programs designed to quickly immerse participants in Angular development. Training duration and modes. Full-time intensive training. Full-time Angular 4 training programs are immersive and intensive, typically lasting between 2 to 12 weeks. Part-time training. Part-time Angular 4 training programs are designed for individuals who may have other commitments such as work or studies. Self-paced learning. Some Angular 4 training programs offer self-paced learning options, allowing participants to learn at their own convenience. Exam preparation strategies. Understand the exam objectives. Familiarize yourself with the exam objectives and topics outlined by the certification program. Create a study plan. Develop a study plan that outlines your study schedule, including specific topics to cover and milestones to achieve. Hands-on practice. Angular 4 is best learned through hands-on practice. Take practice exams. Practice exams are valuable in familiarizing yourself with the exam format and assessing your knowledge. Conclusion. By obtaining certification in Angular 4, developers can showcase their proficiency in the framework, enhance their career prospects, and open up new opportunities for growth. Angular 4 certification provides individuals with a solid understanding of the framework's concepts, best practices, and development techniques.